His Excellency Ranil Wickremesinghe, founder, president, and patron of Geopolitical Cartographer, former president of Sri Lanka. Distinguished guests and participants, good morning. It's a great pleasure for the Embassy of Japan as a co-organizer of today's workshop to welcome you all. This event represents a key step in enhancing regional cooperation in the Indian Ocean. And first and foremost, I would like to express my deep gratitude to the Geopolitical Cartographer, the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime, UNODC, and the Sri Lanka Navy for their cooperation. As part of Japan's continued support for IORA, this workshop, which focuses on maritime domain awareness in the South Asian region, serves as a crucial platform for dialogue and collaboration. I'm very pleased to have with us today presenters and panelists from IORA member countries in South Asia, alongside representatives from Japan's Coast Guard. Ladies and gentlemen, we have entered an era in which cooperation and division are becoming more intertwined. Compound crises, such as geopolitical competition and global challenges, including climate change, are rising, and they are intensifying in the Indian Ocean region too. With that backdrop in mind, Japan attaches great importance to the vision of a free and open Indo-Pacific. We call it FOIP, FOIP. The underlying idea of FOIP is not to exclude anyone or impose specific values, but rather to ensure the rule of law and lead international community towards cooperation rather than division and confrontation. The Indian Ocean is a key area for realizing this vision, and we believe that strengthening IORA is essential in this regard. Japan became a dialogue partner of IORA in 1999. The IORA Outlook on the Indo-Pacific, adopted at the IORA Ministerial Meeting in 2022, emphasizing enhancing maritime safety and security in accordance with the UN Charter and the UN Convention on the Law of the Sea, UNCLOS, while also boosting connectivity to promote inclusive growth. This document provides norms that align with FOIP, FOIP. Japan will continue to promote practical cooperation in the Indian Ocean region under both the FOIP and the IORA Outlook visions. Japan, under the thinking that the strengthening of MDA of countries is crucial for a free and open ocean based on the rule of law, has provided such support in MDA to IORA member countries, including strengthening maritime safety capabilities and addressing climate change. Furthermore, Japan has been focusing on enhancing connectivity in the Indian Ocean region under the FOIP, ensuring that economic development in the region evolves from isolated points to interconnected areas through various economic cooperation projects, including those related to ports and railways. Ladies and gentlemen, coastal countries in the Indian Ocean share common challenges like maritime safety and illegal trafficking, making MDA a key priority for nations, including Sri Lanka. As regards MDA, Japan has developed a concept note in December 2023, which focuses on three key areas. First, information collection. Second, database creation and information sharing. And third, fostering international cooperation. The concept encourages the use of advanced technologies like AI and Japan's maritime information database. We call it UMISHIRU. Japan has also been providing various forms of MDA-related support to Sri Lanka through various channels. Through bilateral ODA, we have provided infrastructure and capacity building support including two 30-meter patrol vessels, an AIS system at Trincomalee Port, and Japanese Coast Guard advisors to strengthen Sri Lanka's capabilities in maritime disaster prevention and oil spill response. We have also announced last year the provision of vessels with oil spill response equipment, including a vessel with a multi-beam sonar. Through UNODC, we have supported the establishment of the Information Fusion Center and other capacity building initiatives. Japan's Self-Defense Forces has also been in active cooperation with the Sri Lankan military forces since 2019, providing maritime search and rescue training and conducting joint training sessions with the Sri Lanka Navy. I am delighted that this workshop is organized as part of our commitment to FOIP and support to IORA. I would like to express my deep gratitude to all those involved in making this event possible today. Through today's presentations and discussions, I hope we can deepen our understanding of MDA and share valuable insights with each other. I wish you all fruitful discussion in today's workshop. Thank you very much for your attention.